everyone, this is Bob and I'm Brian Bethel from Certified Sales and Certified Marine Transport. We're going to kind of show you how you slide out from underneath one of these big boats with a hydraulic trailer. First of all, you have to air it up, put your cribbing in, put some stands under it. The idea is to lower your arms, lower your air, and slide out from underneath, and then continue putting your stands on.
Yeah, pretty simple job. I mean, once you've done it enough times, we've been doing it like 35 years now, so like Brian said, we're going to give you a quick rundown. And this ain't for everyone that does it every day, not for our friends like John Aragoni or Richie's from Richie Smith Boat Hauling, because they're just going to bust us anyhow about this. But this is for our customers that come in, they say, hey, how do you do that? And you put it in my backyard. So kind of give me a rundown right now. We pulled out the beams, we've got weight on the keel. We're going to lower down the trailer in the arms and slide out from underneath it. When we get the back of the trailer to that set of stands, we'll slide them in, we'll work our way up to the next set, then we're gone. All right, now we're going to dump the air out of the trailer, lower the trailer down. Okay, Brian's going to pull forward now with the truck. Set of stands in there. There you go. That's how we offload a 36-foot Hatteras, weighs approximately 26,000 pounds in a matter of minutes. You can put this in someone's backyard, so long as we have enough room to pull straight out with the truck and trailer. Pretty much need a runway, but other than that, pretty simple job. Hope you all enjoy. Have a great day.